Today we are going to use balance scales to compare mass. Mass is the measure of how heavy or light an object is.
When something is easy to carry, like a pencil, we say it is light. When something is hard to carry, like a stack of books, we say it is heavy.
When we compare the pencil and the books, we say the mass of the pencil is less than the mass of the books. Or, the mass of the books is more than the mass of the pencil.
We are going to use balance scales to order these fruits from lightest to heaviest. Balance scales are a very old invention. They have been used in many different cultures all over the world. From the ancient Egyptians to medieval times, balance scales have been used to weigh mass for a very long time.
Using the balance scales, we're going to find out which fruit is the lightest, the heaviest, and which may be the same.
First, we are going to place the apple on the scales. Next, we'll place the grape on the balance scales. Do you think the grape is lighter, heavier, or about the same as the apple? The scales haven't moved much on the grape side. This means that the grape is lighter than the apple. So let's move the grape in front of the apple. Now, let's take off the grape and place an orange on the balance scales. Which do you think will be heavier? The balance scales are level. This means that the orange and the apple are about the same mass. Next, let's place the pineapple on the scales. Do you think it is heavier, lighter, or about the same as the orange? The pineapple is heavier than the orange. Now let's see if the banana is lighter or heavier than the pineapple. What do you think it will be? The banana is lighter than the pineapple. Now that we have ordered the fruit from lightest to heaviest using the balance scales, let's make sure it's right using the digital scales. They tell us the exact mass of each fruit using numbers.
And now that we have shown you how to measure the mass of objects, it's your turn. First, you need to choose 3 objects in your classroom that you think would be good to measure in mass, and then put them in order from lightest to heaviest. Maybe you could measure your pencil case, or a book. Good luck with measuring, and remember, have fun.